I cannot believe it's been a year since I started this channel. So I posted my first video exactly a year ago. It was just a shot of me biking through Nashville, and that's how it all began. And it has been the best year of my life. And I know you guys must be wondering how much I made by doing YouTube for 1 year. So I'm going to reveal that at the end of this video. You know what? I like you guys, so let me just reveal it now. Are you guys ready? $1.45. That's right. Well, as you guys probably know, my channel is not monetized yet. You need 1,000 subscribers before you can monetize. So that is just a referral commission I got when one of you clicked on the Amazon associate referral link on my video, which may be good enough to get a coffee at McDonald's. So thanks for that. I appreciate that. Anyways, I spent a lot of money in the past year to start my channel, and if you want to get the idea of how much, look at what's in my camera bag video. You will find the link here, and the income is negligible compared to my expenses, but I'm okay with that because of the one very important lesson I learned when I was starting out investing in stock market. And the lesson was always focus on learning rather than earning. If you just keep your focus on learning, the earning will follow. So most of us typically go through 16 years of schooling before we earn any money via our job. But anything other than our job, like investing, YouTubing, we expect to start making money right away. With mentality like that, people will spend less time researching in what company to invest in than they spend researching even what shoes to buy. And that is why most people lose money in the stock market and then they say the market is bad versus admitting they didn't spend enough time learning. So that lesson has helped in investing, and I had the same mentality when I was starting out on YouTube, that I'm going to focus on learning. Learning to record the video, learning to edit the video, learning to improve the content, and not doing it to make money because I already have a job for that, but make videos because I enjoy making them. And sometimes in the past year, this learning process was challenging, especially finding time to edit videos. But at the end of 1 year, when I look back on all the videos I created, I feel like it was totally worth it. So I'm going to continue to work on making them better, and I hope you guys continue to support it as you have been. I'll see you guys in the next video.